And so speaking of moving on, actually, Tim sent a memo to employees. He's feeling great. I don't know if you can tell. If you look at this image of him, he's feeling great. He's never been better.
Okay.
He's sensing a huge opportunity here as he looks in the distance. He sent out a memo to Apple employees. On April 1st, 1976, a company was formed in Cupertino to create transformative products that redefine what technology can achieve and make people's lives better in the process. 45 years later, we mark this occasion by rededicating ourselves to that mission and to keeping it alive for a long time to come, rather than to remember it fondly as something past. I mean, he went deep on the people today. I guess it's their 45-year anniversary, and he wanted to send something out to all the employees there. He did reference the M1 chip and 5G iPhones in the message. In an email like this one, to mark a much earlier anniversary shortly after I joined Apple, Steve said, speaking about Steve Jobs, that's how long Tim Cook's been around, "It's been an amazing journey so far, yet we have barely begun." And then he goes on to say, "Still true. Remember that none of us will be here for the end of this story, but it's on all of us to make sure it's one worth telling." You wouldn't expect him to go that hard.
Do you think he wrote that?
Why not?
Had some like proofreaders.
Hey, you don't think Tim can put that together?
Does he have time?
Look at that picture. That's all he's doing right there in that picture. He's putting it together, man.
In his mind.
Mm-hmm. It's on all of us to make sure it's one worth telling.
Well, it's very poetic.
Okay.
And
go ahead.
It's a nice, thoughtful letter to employees to motivate them.
A little motivation. Yeah, coming off of COVID and coming back into the office and trying to get people pumped up.
Yeah.
Let's do something.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it does the trick there, but I mean, this is a company. Apple's a company. They've been doing it. You hear these numbers like 45 years, you're like, damn. 45 years to get to this point. And also when you hear something at the end there, none of us will be here to see the end of this story. Whoa.
It's kind of like a timeless feel.
If I come in the office, I'm like, none of us. Like I'm talking about this company, I'm like, none of us will be here to witness the end of this story. You guys would be like, easy, man.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Otis poops on the ground. We're like, yes.
I wonder if dogs are allowed at work at Apple.
Probably
not.
Yeah.
In that big loop thing there's probably some kind of...
I'm sure there's a lot of place to run.
Yeah, they had
Leave them out in like the middle.
It's a great question. Part. If anybody knows, let us know. But isn't there... Yeah, it feels like a very sterile place.
Yeah.
Like there would not be a lot of germs anywhere. Dogs are pretty...
It definitely can't be like a 1-to-1 ratio of dog humans like here.
Is that what we got? We got a 1-to-1 ratio?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not most days.
Not most days, no.
No.
But it's hectic when it's a full house.
Oh, baby. It's just out of control, to be honest.
Oh, yeah.
Well, the people that watch this show, they've experienced it in the past when it actually goes bananas.
Yeah.
And there's the barking and Will, you can't stand it. You get stressed right out.
There's a lot of controls here.
And then
Mission control, HQ.
The show gets disrupted and you're like looking for where you're like, get over here.
Yeah. Right here, buddy. Right beside. Oh, no. Don't be there.
He's hiding under there right now.
Yeah, he's good.
Yeah. No. Otis is a good dog.
Sometimes.